to show up for you. Like,
Okay, guys, it's your boy King Benny, and I'm here with. Yeah, so today, guys. Today, so we keep on doing our fun over. And then, today, I'm on Tombazani. Also, yeah, so guys, I'm a lady, so ladies, please come in. Yeah, introduce yourself.
Hello guys, it's your girl G.
Yeah, and then we are back with another Shower Please subscribe and hit the notification button. Don't forget to like and comment. Thank you.
Was ikaw bapez silitholile ke itshe and then Sondela ngibabonga yi silitholile itshe ntona yami ukre manje ntona yami how often do you talk to girls?
I don't know, but I can read skills.
Oh sharp. How percent do you rate your riz?
How much percent?
-6.
Why -6?
Because I am not bad.
Oh afere ntona yami manje no ntona yami yazikhambani sina la sizosiza isikela ngithola for amahands I understand so manje awufuna sikholele ihani eliwani
Ngalibisi.
ebuhle I understand and then share the mic ne share the mic
Hello.
Hello.
Right.
Sure.
Sure.
Hello. Ngabushinga so I'm missing thing. Why missing thing to be once?
Ngiyakwazi.
Manje military. Like
Trying to let you know just how I really feel about you. Cause since I met you, I don't think I wanna live without you.
ugrizi
Like kuyacula abantu.
usaba abantu njalo manje yena ntona yami ngamsmash yena ntona yami
yeah, I smash.
manje umrate ngakari 10
8.
type yakho ntona yami
Ingibele.
Tanto njalo nali lakho njalo mebaba nali lakho njalo tanto swahili how often do you talk to girls?
Not really name. Yeah, like I'm someone like ngihamba shela yabo like kakhulu. So like abokele angina kum approach yabo.
Yeah, today we are here to fix that but man ngithola so we'll call you some hand ngithola uyi1 nje ekuku man understand khona mazi akhona ngingathuki understand yeah share the mic
Hello.
Njani?
Sharp wena.
Angina.
Sharp.
Yeah.
Ngisho bathi uzokhuluma.
Usifike ubankama yona. Ukuphi? Nice to meet you yabo.
Elakho.
Mphumlane fela.
Sure.
Yeah. Yo machita yonke ngishilo like i-approach anginayo yabo la. So anginayo like ngisumuntu like ngijayele yabo. Into ezikanjalo so angazi sisini fela kugela yabo. So
Mele mfaka isikolo phela umunye umntana nje abachita babe kanje.
that's the truth.
manje ntona mshotman nengicukubuza ne manje like type yakho ntona mampeki or night type ngicathi sicale la
Yeah, nginayo fade yabo.
ayena type yakho zero type akushayela bom 360 ne 316 ntonyana 316 ntonyana
Iyo fade yabo. Sho iyo.
manje umrate ngakho mana 10
8 fade.
8